Every day you eat food to satisfy hunger, but inside your body, something far more important is happening. The food you eat is being broken down, transformed into nutrients, and delivered to trillions of cells that need energy to survive. Without this process, your brain couldn't think, your muscles couldn't move, and your organs couldn't function. This incredible process is carried out by the digestive system. So, how does the digestive system actually work? The digestive system is responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and removing waste from the body. It is made up of several organs that work together, including the mouth, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. The journey begins in the mouth. As you chew, food is broken into smaller pieces, making it easier to swallow. At the same time, saliva is released. Saliva contains enzymes that begin breaking down carbohydrates before the food even reaches the stomach. After swallowing, food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube connecting the mouth to the stomach. Wave-like muscle contractions called peristalsis push the food downward. The food then enters the stomach, where it is mixed with powerful acids and digestive enzymes. These substances help break down proteins and kill many harmful microorganisms that may have entered with the food. The stomach turns food into a semi-liquid mixture before slowly releasing it into the small intestine. The small intestine is where most digestion and nutrient absorption occur. Digestive enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver and gallbladder help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates into smaller molecules. The walls of the small intestine are covered with tiny, finger-like structures called villi, which absorb nutrients into the bloodstream. Once absorbed, these nutrients are transported throughout the body to provide energy, support growth, repair tissues, and maintain normal bodily functions. After most nutrients have been removed, the remaining material moves into the large intestine. Here, water and minerals are absorbed, and beneficial bacteria help process some remaining substances. The leftover waste is eventually stored and removed from the body. The digestive system works closely with many other body systems. The cardiovascular system transports absorbed nutrients, the endocrine system helps regulate digestion through hormones, and the nervous system coordinates digestive activity. The understanding of digestion has improved greatly as scientists studied enzymes, nutrition, and how the body processes food. These discoveries have helped explain the vital relationship between diet and health. When the digestive system does not function properly, a variety of problems can occur, including acid reflux, ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, malnutrition, and digestive cancers. Today, artificial intelligence is helping doctors diagnose digestive disorders more accurately. AI systems can analyze endoscopy images, colonoscopy videos, CT scans, and patient records to identify abnormalities such as polyps, ulcers, inflammation, and early-stage cancers. In some hospitals, AI-assisted colonoscopies help doctors detect tiny polyps that might otherwise be missed, improving early diagnosis and treatment outcomes. The digestive system is much more than a food processing system. It is a complex network that converts food into the energy and nutrients needed to sustain life. Understanding how it works helps us appreciate the importance of nutrition, healthy eating habits, and the medical technologies that help keep our digestive system functioning properly. But digestion starts long before food reaches the intestines. In our next video, we'll explore how the stomach works and discover how this remarkable organ uses acids and enzymes to begin breaking down food.